Psychology. When you hear the term psychology, what comes to your mind first? Yeah, it is a study of mind. When you say you studied psychology to someone, usually people ask, "Oh, can you read my mind? Can you say what is in my mind?" So many such questions people will ask. And I think students who have opted psychology, so many of you also might have thought that I will be able to read other person's mind. Let me learn this and I will catch you lying. You think that after your course or after learning psychology, you will be able to read other person's mind. Does it work like that? No, it is not like that. Okay, one thing is sure, your certain skills will develop, like your observation, your communication, etc. And you will be able to understand somebody better. So after learning psychology, I think at least some of your preconceptions about the psychology will be changed. And you will learn that psychology is a field that will provide you with new ways of thinking about your own thoughts, feelings, and actions. Word meaning. Let's look the meaning of psychology. Before going to the word meaning, let me remind you something. Please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you. The word psychology was formed by combining two Greek words. The first one is psyche. Actually, psyche is a Greek goddess for soul. The meaning of psyche is life or soul. And the second word, logia, comes from logos and it means to study. So, psychology is the study of life or soul. The first time the word psychology is used in mid-17th century in a book called New Method of Physics, in which it is stated that psychology is the knowledge of the soul. The study of the soul later on progressed to study of the mind. Today, psychology is defined as the scientific study of behavior and mental process. Father of psychology is Wilhelm Wundt. Here, the second L is silent. It is pronounced as Wilhelm Wundt and the D is silent. So, Wilhelm Wundt. So, he is considered as the father of psychology. In late 1800, Wilhelm Wundt, he is a German psychologist and he formed the first experimental laboratory in Leipzig, Germany. And his laboratory was devoted to the study of psychology, officially marking the beginning of psychology as a separate discipline from philosophy and physiology. Psychology works to help people improve their individual well-being and thrive in an increasingly complex world. So this is the word meaning, that is psyche and logia combined to form psychology, that is a study of the soul, and then it is developed into the study of mind, and the term was first used in mid 17th century, and the father of psychology is Wilhelm Wundt. Definition of psychology. Actually, it is difficult to define psychology. The depth of this field is comparable to biological and scientific fields. It is constantly changing and building upon itself. So many studies, research are conducting, and the psychology, the field is developing day by day. The definition of psychology, it is a scientific study of the mind and behavior. The mind is studied from different angles, aspects, and facets in a systematic manner. Psychology as a science adopts scientific methods. It encompasses or it includes the biological influences, social pressures, and environmental factors that affect how people think, act, and feel. So, the psychology study the mind and behavior and how all these factors like environmental factor, social pressure, or biological influences, whatever it is, how it affects how the people think and act. So after studying all these things, we can say why such people behave in such a way in certain situation, or what was running through their mind during such a situation. All those things are explained after studying all these things. Why study psychology? What is the reason for studying psychology? Let's have a look. By studying psychology, first thing is you learn more about who you are as an individual, including your own development, personality, thoughts, and behavior. Second is psychology provide a basis for better understanding of other people. You will be able to gain greater insight into what make people do the thing they do. You will think from their side too. Then psychology enhance your skills. It can make you a better communicator, a better leader, and even a better friend. So, by studying psychology, you will learn about yourself as an individual. Second is, you will learn about other people. And third is, it develop your skills. So, learning psychology is a fun, interesting, and exciting thing. What you do with your knowledge is really up to you. So, hope you like this video. Please share it. Thank you. See you on next video about what is psychology. Till then, keep smiling.